This lecture explains how ergonomics applies to leisure and play. Leisure means free time activities like quilting, golf, and gardening. These activities can improve self-affirmation, self-expression, relaxation, social belonging, and physical mental health. Choices in leisure depend on personal traits, culture, interests, environment, temperament, stamina, and cognitive skills. However, poor ergonomics may cause injuries. Quilting neck, shoulders, elbows, hands, bad posture. Gardening, more injuries in young people. Risks in home repair, swimming, walking. Golf, twisting rotation leads to back. Posture and positioning is important. Wrist, elbow, shoulder, and knee injuries. Quilting, sit, stand properly, tilt sewing machine 15 degrees. Gardening, use stools, long-handled tools, cushion pads. Golf, body weight on back foot. Knees flex, trunk 40-50 degrees forward, back straight. Finally, Holland 6 work people categories show how personality affects activity choice. 1. Realistic hands-on. 2. Investigative problem solving. 3. Artistic. 4. Social. 5. Enterprising leadership. 6. Conventional orderly. Choices influence leisure activities. Personal traits, habits, stamina. Cultural factors, gender roles, traditions. Personal choices and interests, for example, running. Environment and context. Olympic runners train differently. Personality and behavior affect choices. Temperament and personality shape preferences. Physical stamina and skills decide suitability. Cognitive skills help in decision-making. Common injuries. Quilting, neck, shoulder, elbow, and pain due to poor posture. Gardening, young gardeners face more injuries. Risks in swimming, walking, home repair. Golfing back, wrist, elbow, shoulder. The injuries from twisting rotation. Golfing 50-60% weight and back foot. Knees bent 20-25 degrees, trunk bent 40-50 degrees forward, back straight. Reduces injuries and improves efficiency. Conclusion: ergonomics and lear makes activities healthier.